we are squeezing it a bit because it's really runny. I'm not squeezing all the water, I'm squeezing little, because when we stuff it should not be runny. So I'm just squeezing a bit. While squeezing this, this water can be used for drinking. It's really healthy, we should not miss it. I will use it for chapati atta. Okay, and I want to give one more tip with this. If you have constipation and you have tried many recipes, home remedies and any medicine, then also it's not going, you can drink in the early morning, empty stomach. You can take radish juice with some curd. Equal amount of radish juice and curd will remove any kind of constipation, and I have self tried it. It is an awesome home remedy. Please try it if you have any problem related to that. We are going to use ginger garlic paste, garam masala, coriander and pudina leaves, salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. I'm going to add everything one by one. I'm adding ginger garlic paste, I'm adding garam masala, I'm adding turmeric, then 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and chopped coriander leaves. Now I am mixing everything well. I am making a big ball of atta. I am making into 2 pieces. I am making into 2 balls. So we can, I am not going to stuff like this. I am going to make 1 chapati and I am going to make another chapati. I am going to stuff in between and then make a big chapati of it, big paratha of it. This way the stuffing will not be coming out. So let's try it. See, I've made the masala stuffing inside. It is ready. Now I am going to stuff in the chapati. Okay, I am spreading it. You should leave the corner so that you can add the another chapati to it. So I am adding another chapati on top of it. Can you see? I am just pressing it. I am sealing the corners of it and I am slowly pressing the stuff inside. You can slowly roll the chapati. Don't give much pressure, then it will not come out, since we made 2 rotis and we have stuffed it. It is ready now. I'll make the other rotis, parathas, and I will show you how it will be fried. It's a very big paratha. If one person can have only 1 paratha. It's a very huge paratha. It will take little more time to cook because it's 2 roti and it is stuffed inside. The paratha will take some extra time to cook. I'm flipping the other side. See how beautiful it looks. So you can add little oil to it and fry both the sides. Can you see it's puffing also?
The paratha which my mom made. See how beautiful this is. This thing is going into my tummy. Mom, is this 2 parathas?
It's not 2 parathas.
It's 2 chapatis?
Yes, 2 chapatis stuffed.
Oh wow. Okay, now let's eat. What is this? Is shallots. Wow, it's really yummy. Don't forget to try it, then comment it. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Bye.